NBFC and even gold finance companies are looking very good. So look at AB Capital for that matter, Chola Finance. These are all stocks which are looking very good to me on chart. So if you want to pick two top stocks from NBFC, it will be AB Capital for me as well as Chola Finance, and even gold finance company looks good for me, and especially Manappuram. So Manappuram at current market price is a buy for me. If someone has a 1 year kind of a time horizon, I won't be surprised to see this stock going even up to 400 rupees. So Manappuram is a good buy both for short term as well as medium to longer time frame. Look at targets of 400 to come on Manappuram for a 1 year time frame. And for very short term, yes, this stock can move towards 325, 330 zone. Available in futures, one can definitely go long in future. Keep a stop loss of around 300 and look at initial targets of 330. And eventually, yes, for an investor, this stock can give 400 rupee target in next 1 year.
Manappuram is a big call. Deepan, quick view on BHEL. Because BHEL, after the results, also did well. They've got some new order books also coming in. Is that space something that you like?
Tamana, first of disclosure, we are invested in BHEL,
okay.
And amongst all the engineering companies, it has got the best order book position. Like almost 7-8 years earning visibility is there. And I think next 3-4 years, you will see fantastic growth coming through to BHEL. They have an established track record, excellent engineering skills. They are doing certain projects which are very high value. So I expect that the margins also will improve because of that. And I think they are in a position in a very, very sweet spot just now where there is adequate buildup of renewable energy. And that needs to be matched by conventional energy sources as well, which may act as a backup. It's also looking at overseas order books as well. So very, very positive on BHEL. Don't go by what its present price earning multiple is. I think next 4-5 years, you will see the company go to a different level as well. But as I said, we have investment in BHEL, so our views could be a bit biased. So, but nonetheless, I think it's a great story to look at more closely.
Fair disclosure there, Deepan, and I'm glad we got your view on it as well. So, Deepan Mehta Rudra, thank you so much for speaking with us this afternoon as we close off this Tuesday afternoon. I would say at least you're better than where you started. The advanced decline ratio is 50-50. I mean, it's skewed towards the declines, but again, better off where we started. We should pull up the intraday of the Nifty, and that will give you an idea of the kind of recovery that we've seen today. And your recovery from the middle of the day has actually been quite heartening. You're closing at least here above the 24,000 mark convincingly.
Convincingly about 24,000. What's interesting is that support levels are not being broken right now, and that's the positive that you have to pull out in terms of markets. But the other bit is the resilience that you're seeing in a couple of sectors. If you see the heat map in terms of sectors, that pressure has continued to build in terms of financials, but good amount of resilience when you talk about defense, even to that matter, IT to some extent. In spite of that little bit of pressure, there is some resilience there, and the telecom space. But real estate, absolutely battered today, 1.5%.
It just goes through this seesaw, frankly. Some days are very good and some days are very bad, and some profit booking comes in as well. I just want to quickly pull up the heat map as we go into the closing. 8 seconds to go, and this is how we're closing this afternoon. M&M, top of the charts, good numbers. You heard from the management on NDTV profit. We'll have that con call in a bit. Ultratech doing well, Hindalco doing well today as HDFC Life, and Nestle also